Hello everybody, Mr. Phil here. I'm at Gears, Garrett Engineering and Robotics Society, and I'm going to try and make my first Spike Prime robot. Have a quick look around here so you can see where we are. See little system, got storage, got robots, have a playing field, some computers. Right now it's all just happening here, right on this table. Alright. So the first thing we need is some wheels. These are the standard wheels that come with the kit, and I want a roller skid ball on it. So this is the roller ball. It's kind of like the ones before that had the metal ball in it, but I'm hoping that these actually run smoother. So with the Prime, there's a whole bunch of built-in frames that seem pretty useful for making a robot. We need obviously 2 drive motors, the brains, and we need access to this whole top section here. And probably we want to build a motor of some kind. So I'm just going to go just right off the bat here. I'm going to look what's easiest here. So if I put these on top and I put a wheel on here, I have ground clearance, so I can do that. If I put it the other way, I get a bigger working surface, but now I have a taller robot, so I don't want a tall robot. I also have the ability to put this straight on here. If I put it like this, I can probably, so the wheels will be here. Most of the weight will be at the back, so I'll put the roller ball on the back. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get started right away. So I'm just going to anchor this little control guy down here. Put it on the back. All right. I can put the wheels this way, but then the wheels are really close to the front of the robot. I'd rather have the wheels kind of in the middle, so I'm going to put it like this. We'll see how that goes. No guarantees here. So with all these holes here, it's pretty hard not to be able to find somewhere to put these. This plate seems like a little bit of a cheat, but why not? So one good reason for having these wheels underneath would be so the weight of these motors underneath would be so the weight of the platform that sits on top of the wheels. As it is now, if this gets really heavy, it could potentially pop these up. But I'm going to do something to minimize that if possible. Alright, so let's have a look. So I can just attach these straight on here by the look of it. And I don't even have to use axles. I can actually use pegs, which I really like. Pegs straight onto these wheels. I mean, that is a solid wheel mount. I really like that. Yeah, so I'm going to put this plate on top to anchor the wheels together. Bring these wires, while I'm doing that, I'm going to bring these wires up inside here so that I can get them out of the way. achievable. Ah, it's too high. I need to pull him out. I know there's a piece that looks like this piece. So I'm going to get some. Oops. What did I do? Still too high. So we have to come down one more spot. I don't think I can. Well, of course I can, but you know, do I want to? That's the question. How I have it. Yep, I guess I need to go down one more. So can I put this here? No, because it doesn't fit around, but I could put two short beams. Two of these short beams here. My problem is I just don't like having minimal support. I really want good support here. And I like things to be level. So, hey, now we're talking. Pretty good. Wow, I just realized I put that guy on top there, made a robot sandwich now. Oh, that's cool. That's really nice having completely. Oh, I can't do that because then I can't see the controls. Oh, bummer. Oh well. Who knows? There's all sorts of things. That would be pretty cool if you didn't need to be able to see the buttons. Yep, see, I just pushed down on that and I lost the... I pushed down. I think I want a little bit of reinforcing. Maybe here to stop it from pushing down. Never use a 2 when you can use a 3. That's my motto. I think I'm going to regret not putting these wheels underneath. Sorry, putting the motors underneath. Let's see. I realized there's a better way to do this to stop this from popping up just be to put a short piece between here and here, and then it can't separate. But I'll continue with this method just for fun, just to see how we go. Actually, that's pretty good now. Oops, see, still separates. So I'm going to put just one little piece. And see, I could put it in between these two, but then it really wouldn't keep it together. What I really need to do, yeah, just get a 5 piece here. And just one peg, top and bottom, is all it'll take to completely keep them together. See, now these bottom pieces cannot separate no matter what, push them down. Alright, so then I want some kind of arm attachment, some kind of arm mechanism. So I'm going to put this guy here, because this is, I've never used this, but I assume it's a nice slow geared down motor. So I'm going to put him right on top there. Pegs where I want to put pegs. I could put this in the middle, but then the rotating piece would be off to the side. So either if I put it in the middle here like this, I can put something that spans both sides of this, so it has 2 attachment points. But I think I really want to have it off to the side like this, so that whatever I attach is just automatically in the middle, and I can pull it on and off easier. But I already have 2 pegs here, so I have to do some more major disassembly. This to me, this is the fun part of Legos, the fact that I can say, oh, I don't like that, I'm going to make that better. So basically I need to get rid of. So looking here at this kit, I'm running out of some of these key pegs, like the blue pegs here. So it sounds like that's the first thing, that if you just have this kit, you might want to invest in, is some more just regular pegs. And you don't have to get these from Lego, you can get them from Bricklink, which is my favorite place to get stuff for Legos. It's kind of like a bazaar for Legos. So now I can take these pegs out, stick this in here like this. Bazinga! And I have a cool little cart. Plug him, push his cable down in here, plug him inside there. Alright, I like it. So I'm going to assume I need some kind of collecting thing. I don't know whether I want a box. I could have a little box like this that I lift up and put down again to capture stuff, which could be kind of cool. I have room and base for it, so I'm going to do that. Let's see, what would I use that for? Well, rather than do that, let's do, well, no, I do like that actually. Or I could build a pusher with a little closer on it, so I could have a little plow on the front here that I can just roam around with, and then I could have a cover that I can close down on it, so if I want to pull stuff away. So it's kind of like a twofer. And because these motors are so cool, you can actually, they have a 0 position, so you can set the little 0 here. See the little, I just twisted it a bit. So this is the actual 0 position, so you can tell this to go to any angle. So if I build a little cover, that I can tell it exactly where to go. So I'm going to do that.